Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Reezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the Syracuse colorway. Now before we get into that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Reezy Kicks. Let's get it. Last seen back in 2016 as part of Nike's Dunk High Be True college run, the Syracuse colorway will be returning this time as a low top to celebrate the 35th anniversary of the Dunk. The offering of the Nike Dunk Low features a white leather upper with orange overlays. Orange continues on the laces, Nike branding on the tongue label, and rubber outsole with white midsole completes the design. Look for the Nike Dunk Low Syracuse to release on March 14th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100. Now I definitely think this sneaker is gonna have some resell, but before I get into my resale predictions, let's just go over this colorway. So you do have a full leather upper. You got orange on the overlays, Nike swoosh, and then white underlays on the rest of the leather. In the back you do have that orange leather tab with the Nike embroidered logo in white, orange lining, orange insole with a white Nike logo. Got a white tongue, white tab up at the top with the orange Nike logo. This pair does come with orange laces. I imagine it will be coming with a separate pair of white laces. I'm not too sure if any other colors could go well with this sneaker. Maybe some black laces, but I honestly think just some white laces or orange laces will look the best. You do have a white midsole and orange outsole. So not a whole lot to say about the sneaker besides it is orange and white. The quality does look very nice, so that's to be expected when you are messing with Nike Dunks. Nike Dunks and Nike SB Dunks always have really nice quality, and they retail at such a low price. It's just insane. You know, I absolutely love Dunks. I think they're just a great move as a sneakerhead, whether you're just collecting or reselling. Either way, you can't go wrong with the quality and the price of these sneakers. Where you can cop this shoe, I will be leaving links to all the places you can enter raffles, you know, places that are dropping the shoe online, all that good stuff. I will leave those links down in the description below. It might not be updated at this time that you are viewing the video. Sometimes it takes me a day or two just to upload that, just because I do not have all the information just yet. So if you are checking this video and that information is not there, just come back in a day or two and the information should be down there. Now the sneakers app is going to be the main place to get this shoe. When it comes to the sneakers app, it really has a lot to do with chance. There's not a whole lot you can do to guarantee you a pair. There are a few tips and tricks. Honestly, I just say make sure all your stuff is preset, the size you want, your billing information, your shipping address. Make sure all that information is preset. Some people do say it is better to use PayPal as your payment option. You can try that out, see if it works, because I have heard it works better for some people. But yeah, with that being said, let's get into resale. So currently on StockX, this shoe is going for about $300 to $500 depending on the size. I definitely think that price is going to drop after release day, but I definitely think there's going to be some resale value. So it all depends on the size you get, and I do see this shoe going for $175 to $300. Your lower sizes are going to be the money sizes. Anything over a 10.5, I honestly think is going to be that 175 range as far as resale. Honestly, might even go down to like 150. I would not be shocked if that was the case. But then your lower sizes like size 8 to size 9, I could see hitting that 300, but I wouldn't be surprised at 250 either. You know, so anywhere between 150 to 300 is where I think the shoe is going to sit. It really is going to depend on the size you get. So if you are going for resale, size 8 to 9, that's your best bet. If you're going for a personal, you definitely can't go wrong with this shoe. It's very clean. It's orange, so it kind of stands out. That's not a common color you see on sneakers, so that's always dope. As sneakerheads, we're always trying to break necks. We like attention, and that's cool. But yeah, those are my resale predictions. Let me know what you guys think of the sneaker. Are you going for the shoe just to resell? Do you want it as a personal pair, or are you gonna pass up on this release altogether? Let me know all that good stuff down below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Reezy Kicks. We out. with the Nike embroidered logo. Man, I cannot say that. In the back, you have the orange tab with that Nike embroidered logo. Embroidered logo. With the Nike embroidered logo in white. I'll just cut it out if it's not good.